Hey there, let's talk about relationships, not just that romantic kind or just your coworkers. I mean all of them. Every relationship dynamic between two people is co-created. That's a powerful truth. Why? Because it means we are not just the passive recipients of other people's behavior. We shape the dance, whether it's going beautifully or getting messy. That also means we have the power to change it. Hey there, I'm Devi Sundar, mind body consultant, and in my channel, I talk about lung health, mental health, and occupational well-being. Have you ever found yourself feeling annoyed, frustrated, or judgmental towards someone? Maybe a colleague, your partner, or even your friend. If you're nodding your head right now, welcome to being human. We all go there sometime. But here's where things get interesting. The reactions and feelings we have about other people, they can teach us a lot about ourselves if we are willing to look. So today, I want to teach you a simple, powerful tool. You know ab crunches, right? Those short, sharp moves that make your core stronger one painful rep at a time. Well, turns out your brain needs crunches too. I call them mindset crunches. Short mental exercise that strengthen your emotional awareness. One moment of discomfort at a time. Something you can do in the moment when someone is getting under your skin. Whether it's your partner leaving the dishes in the sink again, or that coworker who just has to make every meeting about them. You don't need to vent, lash out, or bottle it up. You just need to drop into mindset crunches. So, what is mindset crunches? Like an ab crunch builds your physical core, your mindset crunches strengthens your emotional core. It's a tiny but a powerful habit that helps you pause before reacting, understand why you're triggered, grow instead of repeat patterns. You're annoyed, frustrated, judgy. That's your signal. It's crunch time. Instead of blaming or stewing, you engage your mindset muscle. Ask yourself these three questions. Number one is the mirror check. Do I do this sometimes too? Number two, hidden hunger. Am I craving something this person seems to have? Number three, old echo. Is this reminding me of someone or something from my past? These three questions are like a reps for your brain. Each one strengthens your insight, calms your reaction, and centers you in the now. Now let's break that each question. Number one, mirror check. Do I do this sometimes too? Often, what frustrates in others is something we haven't fully accepted in ourselves. Let's say your partner is constantly late and it drives you nuts. Take a breath and reflect. Are there moments when I'm careless with time? This isn't about blame. It's about self awareness. The more we own our own cook, the less power they have over us when we see in others. Sometimes we feel irritation that's rooted in envy. That chatty coworker who commands every room. Maybe part of you wishes you had that same confidence. Friend who always speaks up for their needs. Maybe you're still learning how to use your own voice. When we recognize the hidden desire under our own judgments, we unlock an opportunity to grow and soften our reactions. Does this person's behavior shine a light on something I wish I had? A lot of our emotional triggers are echoes of our earlier experience. Maybe your partner's criticism stings more than it should because it reminds you how your parents spoke to you growing up. Or maybe your boss's micromanagement reminds you of your controlling ex. When we relive without realizing it, we react as if it's happening now. And the powerful truth is, recognizing this helps us to be grounded in the present. Here's the thing, sometimes none of these three feel exactly right. That's okay. The act of asking the questions is doing mindset crunches, is where the growth happens. This isn't about letting people off the hook or excusing the bad behavior. It's about reclaiming your own power, your own awareness, and your ability to choose how you show up in any relationship. Because emotional strength isn't built in calm moments, it's built in tense ones. Every time you choose reflection over reaction, you're growing stronger. Every time you decode a trigger, instead of dumping it, your relationships get healthier. This is inner work, core work, mental strength training. So next time you feel irritated, judgmental, or just playing with someone, instead of spiraling or snapping back, try this mindset crunches. So your action for this week, pick just one moment of frustration at work, at home, or wherever. And instead of reacting, do a mindset crunch. Run through the three questions. Notice what shifts. You don't need hours of therapy to become self aware. You just need reps. You just need your mindset crunches. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like with a thumbs up and tag someone who skips both app and mindset crunches. And hey, try this exercise once this week. You might be surprised what it reveals. Until my next video, stay healthy, stay curious. Signing off, Devi Sundar.